Can I give him a air kiss? Mwah, mwah, nothing more than that. Mwah. Okay, guys. My time in Hong Kong? Yes? I could see you had a great time.
Oh, yes, it should be fun time in Hong Kong.
Yeah, and how many kinds of dim sums did he eat?
Ask me.
He had
Actually,
around-
she's a
You're
vegetarian.
saying ask me and looking at her.
Yeah.
So you tell us how many kinds of dim sums he ate.
When we
Almost
arrived in Hong Kong,
15.
actually, and
15.
she's a 15.
15
I
kinds of
counted
dim
only
sums.
10.
You missed out on the 5.
Yeah, I was busy eating mine.
15 kinds of dim sums?
Yeah.
That's just dim sums of 15 different kinds.
Vegetarian only.
Vegetarian?
And non-vegetarian
15?
around 20 of these.
Yes.
You're kidding me. You are a vegetarian.
Yes, I'm a vegetarian.
What did you eat in Hong Kong? What did
My
you
head,
Vegetarian
my
food.
brain.
Your head.
That's a non-vegetarian.
Okay, apart from your head, what did you eat in Hong Kong?
I ate vegetarian food, all kinds of vegetarian food. I had vegetarian dim sums, like.
You
in
had
Hong
fun
Kong.
eating
Yes.
in Hong
When
Kong.
we arrived
Hey,
in
did
Hong
you
Kong,
did you
yeah.
try that equivalent to mango lassi saga?
Sago.
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 Where did you find
Yes.
it?
It's everywhere. You know,
It's
right
everywhere,
outside
okay.
my hotel, I could have mango sago.
And it
After
tastes-
a very tiring day, I used to go and have mango sago.
Mango sago.
Yeah.
It's kind of a dessert for her day.
Yeah, every day. So like you didn't worry about the weight and all that. Okay, you look beautiful. Did she shop?
Ask me again.
Where did she not shop? That'll be a shorter list.
See,
Where all
when
did
we
she
first
shop?
started, we are going to Hong Kong for shooting for 15 days. The first thing she said, we are going for shopping, right? I said, yeah, first we shoot, then we go for shop. No, first is shopping, then we'll go for the shoot. It's a vice versa.
So where did you all shop? I mean, where did you go?
Everywhere. My favorite was Temple Street. I could do a lot of street
Yes,
shopping.
Temple Street Night Market. I went there too. Great
But guys,
bargains.
trust
Great
me,
bargains.
Hong Kong is the place for shopping. I think when it comes to
Yeah.
brands, biggest brands in the world. And
Everybody
when it comes
knows
to
that, yeah.
Yes, when it comes to street shopping like Temple Street, it's the best.
Or not just for girls, also for guys.
Yeah.
That's what
We
we
shop a
say.
lot too.
Strikingly different contrasts in one city. You can buy the best brands, or you can go to Temple Street and then you can
Yeah.
get a good bargain. Okay, did you go to Victoria Peak?
Yes.
Did
in
you
fact,
go to
we
the
shot
museum?
There. Yes.
Oh, you shot there too.
Shot there at the Victoria
And
Peak. It's
what about
beautiful.
the harbour, Victoria Harbour?
Yeah, we've been to there, the Avenue of Stars, and Bruce Lee being my
We saw
favorite actor.
that. We saw that in the video.
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
That was
yes,
really
yes.
nice. You had
It's
fun.
great.
Crazy for Bruce Lee, so you know.
So
he
I was really
very
happy being there.
Was that Bruce Lee's that you were
I was
touching?
trying to use the palm thing. Yeah.
Okay, what else? You shot a scene on a bridge where you discover that she's lying to you and all that.
Yes, I was actually trying to kill one of my co-stars in the scene.
And I saved her.
It was like this huge climax scene of the.
Where did you shoot that scene? Tell us, the bridge. Because you know why I'm asking you this? Because backstage she was telling me it was a magical experience at night and it looked so beautiful, the bridge. Where was it?
Singma Bridge. It is beautiful.
Okay.
But you know, for me, the best experience was in Disneyland. I
Ah,
love
I
the
was gonna
experience.
say,
I
yes.
think the Hong Kong Disneyland is one of the best theme parks I've seen.
I think it's the best.
It's the best.
It is the best,
And,
yes.
especially, it's an experience which you take back with you, which you live with. It's not kind
Yes.
of a theme park. You take the experience from there.
You know, not just kids, but even we. I went there
Yes.
last year with my kid and my husband, and I enjoyed it more than probably she did. It's fantastic, and if the
Tend to
weather's
discover
good,
yeah.
you'll have a
We tend
ball.
to discover the child within us, you know. That's what
I'm
happened
actually
with
taking my
him.
parents in October.
you're taking your parents in
Yeah.
October
In Disneyland.
to Disneyland
Disneyland,
in
yes.
Hong Kong. What about the MTR? Did you travel by the MTR?
See, Hong Kong has one of the best infrastructures around the world, and
Yes.
when it comes to MTR, we were really impressed. Like
Yes.
4 stories down under the road, and you keep traveling the trains. Wow! Means when I was there, I said like, wow means the 4 stories of different train levels, and then the road, and then the bridges. So you keep traveling the trains, and there are a lot of people and different faces, smiling faces. People are so cordial there. So I love the experience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We
And what
traveled
about the
almost to
nightlife?
all the places. We went to
Nightlife, she will tell
Disneyland.
you.
Nightlife.
Oh my god. The LKF Street.
You know, I expected that answer from him. I mean, that's kind of old-fashioned
I
of me to
love-
say so. But you love the nightlife there.
Yes, it
Did
is-
you all go single, or you went
No,
together?
we went together.
Oh, you
It
went
was
together,
So
okay.
much fun. We danced on the streets, and it was like this whole street dance thing, and it was fun. It was amazing.
Yeah.
So tell me in one line your experience of Hong Kong. If you would describe it in one line for us. They had a great time. You can see that.
I'll say one word. Superbly excited.
Superbly exciting. Wonderful.
One word or one sentence is really difficult for Hong Kong, but I think it was a completely fun-filled package. You know, you get everything there, so it was happening. It was really happening.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that sorts it out for you. When are you all going to Hong Kong? Hey guys, thank you for talking to me here, but stay with me, don't go anywhere. I think we should toast to this evening and toast to this new marketing campaign that we're launching, My Time For. What do you say? Should we toast? Yes? Okay, so why don't I then call forward on stage once again Anthony Lau, Peter Hoslin and Sunil Puri. Would you join us here on stage for this toast? And you'll toast with us too. You love Hong Kong. Yes, I can see that.
सबसे पहले तो आप दोनों से जानना चाहेंगे आपने शूट किया है हांगकांग में, किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस था वहाँ पे शूट करने का?
See, the experience was wonderful. When we went to Hong Kong, the first thing came to our mind was tall buildings and good infrastructure. And then the second thing came to our mind was shopping. So when we were leaving for Hong Kong, we made a list कि वहाँ पे जाके क्या क्या खरीदना और क्या क्या नहीं. लेकिन when we went there, we reached there, it was a total different experience. मतलब अगर आपको ब्रांड चाहिए तो ब्रांड, अगर आपको स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग करनी, everything is there.
नहीं, आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया और हम लोग ने 1000th एपिसोड शूट किया था तो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट भी था,
Yeah.
शूट वाइज भी और घूमने भी मिला, सो इट वाज सो मच फन.
I want to tell one thing कि as she said कि we were shooting for 1000 episodes of Sasural Se Marka there in Hong Kong, and our TRP actually touched 3.6, which was the highest TRP of that particular segment. So we were really happy shooting wise as well, and people are so cordial, and we actually faced no problem shooting in Hong Kong for 15 days. It was fun.
सबसे ज़्यादा क्या याद करेंगे वहाँ की चीज़ें?
Disneyland. Whenever it comes, the first thing always come to my mind is Disneyland. Disneyland is an experience. You live with it.
अच्छा, कोई ऐसी जगह जहाँ पर आप लॉन्ग ड्राइव पर जाना चाहें और आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आई हो जगह टाइम स्पेंड करने के?
See,
The
my long drive-
Lantau Island was beautiful. Lantau
Lantau,
Island.
yes,
Lantau.
yes. Yes.
Yeah.
If I'll get a car to drive in Hong Kong,
Yeah.
the cars are really well maintained there.
अच्छा, क्या क्या शॉपिंग करके लाया वहाँ से? आपने कहा कि शॉपिंग करने की काफ़ी
अगर मैं वो
अच्छी
अभी
जगह
आपको
है।
बताऊंगा तो रात हो जाएगी, और एक्चुअली क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी कुछ खरीद के लाया था, लेकिन
Everything
yes,
possible.
you get everything A to Z, like from shoes to good brands, good jackets, good caps, everything. You just name it, you'll get it there. To gadgets.
To gadgets.
अच्छा, शो की बात करें तो अभी काफ़ी अच्छा शो कर रहा है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे व्यूअर्स के बारे में जिसने आपको इतना पसंद किया?
Guys, please keep watching us and keep giving us your love and support, and we promise that we'll keep entertaining you. And Sasural Se Marka rocks. We are number 4 at the position right now and number 1 on colors, and we hope that we'll reach soon on number 1 position overall.
थैंक यू सो
Thank
मच
you.
एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.